Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preheating a clean, dry stainless pan. Heat on medium until you see a faint shimmer, about 1 to 2 minutes. This creates a more uniform surface temperature so food won't grab. Make sure the pan is fully dry. Water causes immediate sticking. Once the shimmer appears, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and tilt to coat the cooking surface evenly. You want the oil to thinly film and heat briefly before adding food so it forms a protective layer. Once the oil is shimmering, test temperature with a tiny water drop. Beating indicates ready, immediate steam means too hot, so lower the flame. Add food in a single layer, spacing pieces so the pan temperature doesn't plunge. Crowding causes steaming and sticking. Make sure each piece contacts the surface fully, and then be patient. Let a natural crust form before attempting to flip. This adhesion release turn is the key to stainless cooking. If you try to move too soon, the food will To finish, lower heat to medium-low so interior cooks without burning the crust. Use a thin metal or flexible spatula to gently pry edges free once the crust releases. If bits cling, deglaze. Add a splash of wine, stock, or water and scrape to lift the fond into a sauce. This both cleans and enhances flavor. If a lot stuck, cool the pan, soak in warm, soapy water. Then re-season by heating a thin film of oil to restore a releasable surface for future cooks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.